दिस इज गोयल। आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कुछ और अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज की। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो आई वुड लाइक टू मेक श्योर कि यार जो अपॉर्चुनिटी में तो एलिजिबल हो तो उसमें अप्लाई जरूर करना। ऐसा नहीं है कि देख के छोड़ दी कि दिस इज नॉट फॉर मी या मेरे पास अभी स्किल्स नहीं है ये वाली अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए। इफ यू आर एलिजिबल तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड कि प्लीज अप्लाई करना। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि अगर तुम्हारे पास स्किल्स नहीं है देन ओनली यू वोंट बी सिलेक्टेड। अगर स्किल्स नहीं है थोड़ी बहुत है, इंटरमीडिएट है, देन ऑल्सो देयर इज अ चांस दैट यू कैन बी सिलेक्टेड। इट्स ऑल द मैटर ऑफ कि हाउ यू अटेम्प्ट द टेस्ट, हाउ इज दैट डे फॉर यू ऑफ इंटरव्यू. So don't just see these opportunities and forget to apply, but just go ahead and apply. That is the biggest motivation for any opportunity that you see. मतलब जब भी कुछ भी आए जाके सबसे पहले अप्लाई कर दो अगर तुम एलिजिबल हो। उसके बाद देखी जाएगी प्रिपरेशन कब करनी है, कैसे करनी है, क्यों करनी है। ठीक है, तो आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कुछ अमेजिंग से अपॉर्चुनिटीज की। आज की वीडियो में फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी इज बाय गूगल. गूगल हैज ओपनड अप इट्स विंटर इंटर्न फॉर बैचेस ऑफ 22 and 23. If you are currently in your pre-final year or final year and you have 20 to 24 weeks, like starting from January to June, it's a 6 months internship that they have opened. It is open to people who are currently undergoing their bachelor's or master's degree, and the location for the same is all locations in India like Bangalore, Karnataka, Hyderabad, Telangana. Also they have like you should be good at data structure algorithms and various other things that they have mentioned, and a full-time opportunity for a minimum of 6 months. So definitely if your university allows you to undergo a 6 months internship, this is an amazing opportunity. Definitely go ahead and apply. Also अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो don't forget to press the like button and subscribe this channel. I'm saying it once again, subscribe कर लो, आगे भी amazing content आने वाला है. The second opportunity for the day is by Dropbox. Dropbox, they are hiring for software engineer interns. Summer of 2022, batch of 2023 is eligible. And if you're looking forward to have an amazing experience, like it is, the location is US, but people who are currently located in India can apply because it's a remote opportunity. What you will be tested upon is like you should be having BS, bachelor's or master's in computer science or any related field. Benefits and perks will be amazing as it's an opportunity that is in US. So don't forget to apply for the same. You will be getting 11 company paid holidays, vacation policy, wellness reimbursement, free Dropbox space for you and your family, market competitive total compensation package. So compensation package, don't worry about that. It will be great and it will be in dollars. So definitely go ahead and apply for this. Also, third opportunity is a machine learning intern by Interpret. So it is a startup. It's a tier 3 VC. It is backed by top tier VC firms like Silicon Valley and India. So don't, like, this is a 6 months internship, and for people who are currently looking for some space in data science and machine learning, I have got a lot of requests from people to bring opportunities in data science and machine learning. So in this video there are two opportunities. This is one, second I'll discuss when it comes. So definitely it's a good opportunity for you if you have some background in machine learning and you can devote your time. Batch of 23, 22 both can apply. And yeah, they also have a full-time role open for software engineer backend. If you are looking forward to apply for this company as a software engineer, then also you can apply for ML intern as well. Next opportunity is by Hyperverge. Hyperverge has opened up its intern opportunity for 6 months for the batch of 2022. They're offering a stipend worth rupees 35,000, and you can be either graduating in 2021 or 2022. Both are eligible, and you can get a pre-placement offer if you perform well in this internship. Next is data scientist. Again, this is the second opportunity for people who are into machine learning or who wish to start their career as a data scientist. Ola is hiring for entry-level data scientist, and they are also hiring for freshers. So if you are pursuing BTech, MTech in computer science or other circuitral branches, this is a good opportunity for you, and you should have some background in data science, maybe some projects or machine learning experience. This can be something that is that can help you get a job at Ola. So don't forget to curate your resume according to this particular opportunity. Don't just randomly throw out the same resume in all the opportunities. Try to modify it a bit according to the needs of the job as well as the job description, right? Next is an opportunity like there's a small message for you all from Coding Ninjas. Coding Ninjas, as you all might be aware, it's one of the largest coding education company, and have taught around 50,000 students all over India. Coding Ninjas courses they offer courses from basic to advanced level in programming, C++, Java, machine learning, Android development, and data science. and they have exceptional faculty from IIT, Stanford, Amazon, Facebook. 1,000+ questions have been asked in companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft. All of them are there on their platform. Also, the route support system is amazing. You can get a well structured course from them, and they are currently, they have conducted scholarship tests in the previous months, like in June, also in July, also April, also, and now they are back again with scholarship test for August. And in the scholarship test, you can get any of their courses for up to 100% scholarship. Top 3 rankers will be getting 100%, 4 to 10 will be getting 75%. After that, you will be getting 50%, 40%, 35%. So definitely it's a good opportunity if you want to have an experience, have these amazing courses like data structure algorithms and C++, Java. All these courses are covered under the scholarship test. So definitely it's a good opportunity, and all the thing, like, it's only an aptitude based test, and if you're good at aptitude, you can definitely check out this, and you can get any of your courses at Coding Ninjas at very good discounts. All of you will be eligible for 10% discount compulsory, and you can get you can register for the scholarship test at a registration fees of rupees 99. I'll give the code in the description below along with the link. If you'll use that code, you can get 50% discount, and you can register for this test at rupees 48 only. So if you're looking forward to purchase any course from Coding Ninjas, this can be an amazing opportunity. Now let's move on to the another opportunity. Next is an opportunity by Hacker. This opening is for problem setter DS Algo internship. If you are in your first year, second year, so this can be an amazing opportunity, as well as it can help you learn data structure algorithms in a well structured manner. Should be good at data structure algorithms, you should have your basics cleared, but this opportunity can help you prepare for your company interviews, as well as along with that you can get a lot of amazing stipend and some other perks from HackerEarth. Next opportunity is by Stripe. Stripe is hiring for its remote roles in San Francisco, Seattle, Toronto, and New York City. So this is a remote opportunity. You can apply for this as well. Like last year, people had interviewed with this company, and they have opened up their opportunities for this year also. You should have 2 years of university education. Maybe people who are currently in 2023 batch, they can apply for software engineer intern role. Also, they have opened for new grad software engineer roles. So if you are in 2022 batch, you can apply for new grad roles, and the perks and benefits are also amazing. You can check out their website for complete details. Next is full-time role for Cisco. Cisco is hiring for new grads for the batch of 2022. They have opened up their applications. The eligibility criteria is a bit higher. You should be from 22 batch, and minimum CGPA of 8.5 is required for the same. Computer science and all other circuitry branches are eligible, so don't forget to check out this as well. Thank you so much for all the love and support that you people have been showing, and we'll meet you sometime in another video. Till then, stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye.